Hey boys, so I'm actually sitting out in my terrace. Look at this. Yeah. So I just saw, yeah, things are like, look at these things. It's a home stuff. Look, so the thing is, we got whatever we want in the Euro USD, and I'm ready to take the trade. But the only thing which I'm not liking is the take profit. The take profit is so long because the first thing is going to get reacted from here. I'm okay with this risks. This is completely a intraday, but yeah, let's go all in. Um, I'm actually going to calculate. See, this, if we do the loss over here, will be wrong in 30 minute as well, and 1 hour as well. Even we can shift this over here. Yeah, now does it make sense? Okay, so take profit also makes sense. Yeah, so this is the best place to take the trade. Let's calculate it quicker as fast as possible. Now I have to log in with this fun date next. Oh, I'm already logged in. Margin calculator, profit loss euro USD. It's a buy trade. Now this is very high probable that this is going to take profit. Quicker, two lot. No, one, no, 0.5. Target is two risks 40, 35. Yeah, 35, 35, 35, 35. 0.35 multiply by 7, that's a commission plus 35. We can add 7. Yeah, done. 37. Let's go with 37. Let me buy this euro USD. Come on, quicker. Euro USD. I hope I won't miss it. Euro USD. Come on, euro USD. New order. Is 1 minute is bullish or bearish? Oh, 1 minute is bearish. It's not good idea. Let me check 5 minutes. Oh, it's just a retracement. Shit. 0.37. I'm all going all in 0.37. Increasing the voice. 3, 2, 1. Cool. I enter into the trade. I will be adding the stop losses. Mm, Euro USD. Now this is very high probable that we are going to restore take profit. But still, I don't want to make money. I want to lose money. Okay. So here we go. I'm adding the stop loss. Mm, I will add temporary stop loss. The thing which I have right now. Stop loss added. I love this voice, man. Okay. If we hit the stop loss, we'll be wrong in a 5 minute. If we hit the stop loss, we'll be wrong in a 15 minute. If we hit the stop loss, we'll wrong. We kinda will be wrong on the 30 minute. But if we hit the stop loss, we'll be wrong on the 1 hour. That's the main important thing. I want to tie up the highest time frame stop losses so that we can, like we get the high probability output. So this is this will be our take profit. Um, yeah, yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. All right, boys, I'm all in. Going good. Going good. Yeah, I'm all in. So yeah. Um, what I was doing right now, I was doing the business lecture. Recording is on, right? I was doing this. I was doing this business lecture. I will continue to do it. Signing off. I was just checking this market, and I saw, oh shit, this came to our entry. Let's take it. So I took it. Euro USD. We are in the trade, in the trade section. Odd USD. Yeah, odd cat. Haven't done the things which I wanted. Not interested. Euro. What is Euro CAD? Not interested. GBP CAD. We were completely wrong. Odd USD have came to our area of interest. This is what I said, brother. This is like, look at my lines. This is what I completely say. So now what is happening right now? This is what happening. So now it is again going to come down, then again it is going to go up. I have said that about this. I have told this. There was one currency which I have predicted, which happens, and we missed the trade. Yeah, NZUSD. So look at this. Look at this. I have predicted we were somewhere down up here. I was waiting for the candlestick closure below. Candlestick close below. We just gone to the take profit. Seriously, look at that. But I was not taking a trade on 15 minute. I was waiting for 30 minute candlestick close. The 30 minute candlestick close so below that it was not making sense. So I was waiting for the retracement, which haven't happened. So I went took the trade. So Euro USD, we are cooking into the Euro USD. So now it is again going to pump down, touch to the EMA, then it is going to go up. I have done my I have done my things. So yeah, signing off. So if this trade hit to a take profit, we'll recover all of the losses. I will just put the alarm over here. We'll recover all the losses, which is current losses. Today's total loss is almost $88. 2 days. So we risk 0. How much? 37. Yeah, 0.37. Total of $40 we risks. So 40 risk is profit is multiplied by 2. 4 the 4 to the 8. We'll be gaining all the losses we have done for today. Not a big deal, brother. I still don't want to make money over here. I want to lose money. Please lose money. So over here also I will learn something. After I lose, then I will see what gone wrong. But the things which we have done the loss in GBP CAD, I have learned that the stop loss. Are we wrong? So that learning I have used. Oh, control there. That learning I have used over here, and guess what? You will see the result pretty much. As per the probability, as per the things, it is going to go up. Today or tomorrow it is going to go up, but as per probability it is going to go up. So relax. Signing off. Let's do the business lecture. Mm, holy shit! I was I was editing the video and it's edited as well. So pretty much you guys are going to get to see the vlogs as well. Peace. Again, I don't want to make money in this. I want to lose money. This is the intraday. I haven't took the trade on the $1 lakh account. I have took this trade on only $5,000 account. I want to lose money. I don't want to make money. I want to lose money. That's it. I will close this. Should I close this? Or should I keep this open because the alarm thing? As I have placed the alarm, so I can close this because I don't want the distractions. Wait. Stay on the page. Control S, saved, delete, uh, delete. Alright, boys, signing off. One last time, you can see what is going on. It's a -4 USD, and yeah, it says what it is. I will upload the video as well. So I'm closing this. Yes.